Hello guys, today as you can see I have the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera and I'm going to tell you how to adjust the brightness level in this camera. Of course I'm talking only about the screen, not the exposure. If you want to know how to change the exposure, there is a different video about that. Let's start by sliding from the top to the bottom to see this menu and tap this sun icon. Now I can increase the brightness up to this value over here and decrease it using the same gesture. Let me leave it somewhere here because now we do have the best brightness for the camera. And now that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.